What's happening, guys? I'm going to start out by saying I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Um, I did want to start off by saying, I'm trying to get up to 200 subscribers. I'm just starting this YouTube channel. And once I get over 200 subscribers, I'm going to probably do a live chat and pass out some crypto swag giveaways, some t-shirts, and um, some coffee mugs, maybe, koozies, stuff like that, of your favorite crypto, whatever it might be. But anyways, my wife has a company making that stuff, so eventually we'll get on here and probably make a web page and start selling it on here too. But anyways, let's get to the charts. Looking at Bitcoin, this is the daily chart. You can see the two trend lines I have, kind of the falling wedge here. I guess the line could be moved up to here, so you got 3 touch points, but I just don't like that it dropped out. So anyway, I'm just going to keep that here for now. As you can see, the top of this wedge right here, right around the 5,300 area. That's 53 to 55, depending on where it hits. That's where I kind of see it going. Let's zoom in a little bit on the charts here. See what we're looking at. Obviously, the thing I've been looking at forever, it seems like now, is I really believe this is a inverse head and shoulders. This is the left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and I believe we're going to be going up to test this neckline, and it's looking like it's going to be right around the 4150 range, somewhere in there. Let me go into the 4-hour chart, see what we're looking at here. This is the Elliott wave count that I had, and Elliott waves, they work in the smaller stuff. You get into too much bigger, I like to use them, but this one just looks like it's playing out. Or it could play out, I should say. It's not playing out, but this is a rising wedge we have here, and you draw these two trend lines, and then if you've watched my videos before, we go back into the RSI into the 4-hour, and it's still staying right in this nice range here in the this channel I've drawn. And you go back to the daily, spread it out a little bit, and it's staying right in this rising wedge. And as I stated before, it looked like this went sideways, hit the bottom trend, straight up, went sideways till it hit the bottom. I think that's what we're gonna do again, and then come up to touch the top, and it may tap up somewhere out in this range. And but it looks like we got a big bull run coming today, and I finally got my video fixed. I hope it's easier to see now. It was real when I was downloading them or uploading them on YouTube. They were really blurry for some reason. I've been messing with my settings. I hope this one's right. I had to play with it over and over, but let's zoom in a little bit further and kind of look at what's going on here. If you guys like these videos, I chart a lot of Litecoin too. It basically does around the same moves as Bitcoin. Sometimes they spread apart a little bit, but if you guys like me to do some videos on that, I will. But coming in here, all of my EMAs, we're on top of them all in the 1-hour, and it seems to be acting as support up here. I use the 9, the 13, the 21, 55, and the 200 EMA, and they seem to work out really good. Even you go down in the smaller time frames and you watch them, and uh, they give you heads up on some nice moves when they cross. Uh, but anyways, you look at this, the white trend line I got drawn here. This little move we're at right now. Again, we're on the 15-minute chart now, so but it looks like you're staying above this, and I believe we drop below this. We could drop back down in the 15-minute, touch the 200 EMA. Go back up to the hour. this is what I'm seeing. Again, these yellow lines are the rising wedge, and I believe we're going to come up here, test this neckline, like I said, around 4150 or so, and I'm kind of mixed on how it may, you know, it may get rejected and go down, but I just don't see it happen. I see some bullish moves. I really believe this was a wave 1, this is wave 2, and we're beginning wave 3 here. I believe we're going to have enough to get through this neckline, and that's really going to, you know, fire off some signals, and people are really going to start jumping in my opinion. The worst thing I see happening, besides going down, which I really don't see us going back down yet, is coming up here and kind of bouncing in between here and creating a triangle and then popping up and out. You know, and then we get to that top trend from the larger falling wedge that I was showing you. And that's, like I said, between the 53 and 5400 range, maybe somewhere in there. And then I believe we'll come back down in this area somewhere and test this bottom trend line. And the reason I have it there is I used my Fibonacci retracement, came down to the bottom of this one, wave bottom, the bottom wave 2 up to the top of wave 3, and it's right at the 0.5 Fibonacci, and it all lines up nicely, and we'll see how it plays out. You know, like I said, it's kind of far ahead, but I feel pretty strongly on this. And again, it's not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. This is a very volatile market. And if you've been in Bitcoin for a long time, you obviously know. And if you're just getting into it, you'll learn quickly. I think we're really about to make some big moves in Bitcoin here real quick. And like I said, you guys want to see any Litecoin videos or anything like that, I'll try to get into more detail in my later videos. It's late. I got off work a little while ago, and I'm ready to take a shower and go to bed. So I just want to do a quick video and get this out there. And please like and subscribe, and remember, you know, share this if you can. I'd appreciate it. I'm trying to get enough subscribers, like I said, to do a little giveaway and try to grow this channel and maybe start adding some news in, whatnot, whatever. Any suggestions you got, I'm happy to hear them. You know, let me know what you think about my analysis, and if you like it, don't like it. Either way, let me know. I'm open to criticism. Anyway, I guess that's about it for tonight. Hope you guys have a good night, and I'll try to post another video tomorrow. Take it easy.